Hi guys, it's Sherry. Today I'm popping on really fast to answer the questions. What type of toaster oven should I use for my polymer clay? How do I set it up? And questions along those lines. I had my toaster oven for about 8 or 9 years, and it finally kind of decided to just not work anymore. Well, at least the timer. So it would still bake and get the temperature where I need it to be and things along those lines. But when I was set it to 20 minutes to a half hour, after a short amount of time, it would just never shut off. So if I wasn't on top of it, it would basically just keep running 24 hours a day. So I decided it was finally time for me to get a new toaster oven. And since I got the new toaster oven, I figured I would pop on really fast, show you guys what kind I got, how to set it up, and how to make sure the temperature is correct. So let's jump on over and check out the toaster oven. Okay, so this is my new one, and you'll see that it's the Black & Decker. All right, and this is exactly what I look for when I am going for my toaster oven. So I want a dial that gives me the exact temperature. I want, where I could put it to bake, and I need a timer, and this goes for a half hour. So I ended up buying a brand new oven thermometer because we want to check our temperature. Now, I haven't done any of this yet. I literally plugged this in and put the thermometer in. So let's get this kind of going. So the first thing I want to do is I use Primo clay all the time. So I want to make sure that my dial is at 275. Now, it doesn't say 275, but it's between the 250, 300, obviously. So I have my dial right there. I have it on the bake. Now I'm going to turn this on for the half hour, but now I got to sit there and watch my thermometer to see how high up that goes, because a lot of times the oven temperatures are off. So they'll either be below or higher. So I'm going to give this a few minutes and then I'll jump back on and we'll see how high up this really is. All right, so it's been 10 minutes and I'm going to pull it up. Here, let me open this up. You can see that it hasn't even hit 250 yet. So that to me tells me that my temperature is way off and I need to actually go higher. So I'm actually going to put this right up to 300 now and see if that makes a difference. So I'm going to give it a little bit more time and then come back and see if it gets up to the 275 that we need it. So when you are first setting up your toaster oven, you really need to take the time to make sure that your temperature is correct. So you can see it's been a little over 10 minutes now. I had it at the 30-minute mark and it's a little below 20, and the temperature has gone up as high as it can. So now I turn my temperature up and we will see how high it gets now. All right, guys, so you can see that I let it go for a little bit longer. It's probably at maybe about 3 to 5 minutes left on my machine. And I ended up playing with the knob a little bit more. So now you can see it's a little over 300 now. And I would say it's probably at about 315. And there is my oven thermometer. It's right at 275. So now I know that after running this for almost a full half hour, that the 315 mark is exactly where I need it to be for 275. So what I am going to do now is I am going to take my chrome marker and I am going to put a mark right where I want my knob to go. This way, if it ever gets moved, I just turn it right to that area and I know it'll be the 275. I really hope that this video helped you guys answer some questions. If it did, remember to hit the like button, subscribe. If you have any other questions that you want me to answer, leave it in the comment section and I'll do my best to answer them. Have a beautiful day, guys. See you next time. Bye.